Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Goody. We back with it. Well, kind of, sort of, not really, but we back with it. First off, I hope you guys been enjoying Vlogmas videos because yeah, that last video was Vlogmas completed, and I really just want to thank God because pushing them videos every single day as a creator is just a lot, but I love you guys and I just do it all the time because I want to talk to you guys every day. This video is really gonna be about, one, I have an update for you guys. I just want to talk to you guys about something, and then two, it's just to really just give like my first experience as a YouTuber, first time YouTuber, I guess, doing Vlogmas. Like, how did that feel like? And also just give y'all little tips of things that I feel like can really help out for anybody starting for the first time. But before we get to the video though, like, do y'all see my face? My face has been breaking out and I think my body is just purging. Like, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I was not about to put on no makeup with my face looking like this. Like, okay, so the special update that I wanted to talk to you guys about is that, like, moving forward in this channel, I really just want to keep this a tradition on this channel. I've done the same tradition on Instagram. For people that doesn't follow me on Instagram, like, y'all know that every month, not every month, but like every January in the beginning of the year, I always take off on social media, like all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube now, because now YouTube is something I'm being consistent with, but I always take off on all social media platforms in the month of January just because it's the first month, you guys. I feel like the first month is really a very like personal, sacred time. Like, I don't really know like how to explain it too much, but the first month is always a month that I advise anybody to just take a break. Like, y'all get me from February all the way to this, maybe to December, but y'all get me from February all the way to December. But January, I want to rest, I want to relax, I want to just close the camera for once and not always have to record everything or have my camera up. Like, but I will be back in February by God's grace, and from then on, you got me the rest of the year. We just gonna, spend some time together. But for the month of January, I'm gonna say this again, I am not going to be on YouTube. I will not be on Instagram, and I definitely will not be on TikTok. That's not what this video is about, but let's get right into the actual talk. My first experience doing Vlogmas, man, when I tell you, I thought it was gonna be easy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm being honest. Like, I thought like, okay, maybe it's just you just record something and you just keep it pushing. That's what I thought. Like, before I told myself that this December that I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas, I was just thinking to myself like, okay, all I gotta do is just wake up and record. That's all I gotta do. But no, that's not all you gotta do. Vlogmas is such a very like intense thing, especially when you don't have an editor. Like, I probably wouldn't have been stressed out as much as I was stressed out with Vlogmas, because when I tell you, you record something that day, you edit it that day, you post it that day. That's a record, edit, post all in one day. This Vlogmas, I really wanted to quit. I wanted to quit. I would call the people around me and I'll just be like, yo, like, I really just want to be done. I want to be done with dropping videos. I want to be done with like recording. I'm tired of editing. I'm tired of bringing up the camera every single day. Like, I was dumb tired, you guys. Like, I was so tired, but my friends was like, no, don't do that. Like, you got to keep going. And this is why it's really, really important to have like good friends around you, because times like this when you don't feel like doing nothing, they remember your why and they will push you to where you need to be, where you need to go. So I was just I was like, I'm tired of recording. It would be nice that I would be up at 2 a.m. still editing, because I'm like, I gotta drop it the next day. I'm glad that I really told y'all early in the beginning that I don't want to post on Sundays. That's not something I'm used to. So that Sunday, as much as it was like one day, y'all, I still feel like that one day wasn't enough for resting, because I was like using that day to edit, and then the next day I'll post, right? So Vlogmas was a lot, man. Like I remember even when like it'll be times where I don't feel like doing anything today. Like if I didn't feel like doing anything, I just wanted to be in my bed. I just wanted to rest. I just wanted to like watch my show or something, but I couldn't because Vlogmas, y'all not about to sit here and watch me watch my show. Like I would just be like, you know what I gotta do today that I could record. And it wasn't like to say that every single video was based on just for Vlogmas, but like there's some times too like I just wanted to quickly run to the store and get something, but I'm like, bro, that's all I had to do today, so I need to record myself going to the store. And recording sometimes in the store be taking mad long. Like every little thing you gotta record, like just so that you guys can enjoy the vibe. And I'm not saying this to complain or anything. I definitely did enjoy the experience of Vlogmas. I'm just saying this to say that I just didn't know that it was gonna be like this. Like I even got on my Instagram. I was like, I really commend people that really do YouTube 24/7 full time because it's not easy. Vlogmas gave me a glimpse of what I feel like most YouTubers even experience on a daily. For someone that lives off of YouTube will have to be consistent. You know, like recording on a daily basis, or even just recording, like I can see why people do once a week videos, like weekly vlogs and stuff, but even just recording in general, it's just like, it's a different world. Only thing that kept me going is because that I said I was gonna do Vlogmas, and I've announced that I'm gonna do Vlogmas. I don't really care if I don't have like, I understand I don't have like 50,000 or plus like subscribers, but the people that are watching me, I want to make sure I'm a woman of my word. Like, you know what I mean? Like I don't want to tell y'all, oh, I'm doing Vlogmas and then I don't do Vlogmas, unless it's like a medical condition or something like that. Then I'm gonna be like, y'all, like I really tried but I couldn't do it. But because nothing was wrong with me, you know, and it's just like I just didn't want to do it because I was tired. I was like, no, I gotta, because I told y'all I was going to do Vlogmas, I have to stick to my word. It was definitely a new experience for me. I was like, wow, this is what YouTube really feels like, huh? Like this is the awakening of what YouTube feels like as a full-time, from doing something all the time. And it really tested me too to see how much I love this platform, how much I want to be on YouTube. It really tested me because I promise you, if I didn't love doing videos and like talking to you guys, I would have been done a long time ago. I would have been like, oh, day 3 of Vlogmas, I'm out. I'm finna enjoy the rest of my days, like, you know. But it was fun. Like it was fun. I was able to learn a lot quicker about myself. Like certain things about myself I was able to learn. I just allowed me to prove myself like right. Not to be cocky with it, but it really just allowed me to prove myself, you know, and just get better with my craft and just like learn more about my camera and just like certain effects, or just get, and it allowed me to get more comfortable on camera. Like I feel like y'all my bestie. I feel like I could sit here and rap to y'all all day of what happened with me with Vlogmas, but just because of the time's sake, I'm gonna just keep the rapping to a minimum. Consistency, this is why I be like, you gotta be consistent with what you want, because you're able to learn things quicker when you're consistent. Like you're able to see more things about the industry. One, you're able to just like see more things about yourself and figure out where you want to like fit yourself in. Like, and I know consistency could be hard, but it's really rewarding and beneficial at the end when you're done and you're able to reflect on those videos. As soon as Vlogmas, like I was mentally done with Vlogmas, like I was done with my last video on Vlogmas, I did not pick up this camera ever since. Y'all, I did not pick up this camera ever since. Like this is my first time picking up this camera since the last video y'all seen on Vlogmas. First time. It felt so good. It felt like, cause I went to like 2 of my friendsmas. They had their own like friendsmas / game night, and if that was going on during Vlogmas, I probably would have recorded that. But it felt so good to leave my camera at home. So I really had so much fun. Like I went crazy. I had so much fun with my friends and just like being present. I was like, dang, being present do be feeling good sometimes. And the thing is, like, I'm not saying I don't be present when I'm recording or like, you know, but it's nice to just like fully, like your mind is fully present. Because I feel like sometimes as creators, I don't know if y'all battle with this sometimes, but as creators, I feel like there's a thing where yes, you're present, but another part of you probably thinks about like, oh, I gotta do this, I gotta edit. So I'm glad that I wasn't thinking about editing, I wasn't thinking about posting, I wasn't thinking about, you know, the time, like I wasn't thinking about none of that. Oh, and let me tell y'all another thing too. Y'all know that Chicago trip? I know a lot of people always wonder like, how was I able to be consistent every single day and drop a Chicago trip that I basically stayed in Chicago for like a whole week, and I wasn't even dropping that every single day as my Vlogmas. And let me tell y'all what happened. When I realized I was going to Chicago, especially during Vlogmas, right? I was like, how the heck I'm about to drop videos every single day and I'm in Chicago? Because like, I'm not about to be recording every single place I'm at in Chicago, like for security reasons, please. And I ain't crazy like that, recording my current place at that time, like please, now I don't do that. I had to record all those videos that y'all seen before Chicago. I had to pre-record those videos, you know, so that I can have it queued when I'm in Chicago. And the reason why I did that is because I really wanted to enjoy my Chicago trip. It was like I wanted to be present for that trip, but I did promise that I was going to do Vlogmas every single day. So I had to pre-record. I had to record that ahead of time so that it can be queued, it can be scheduled while I'm in Chicago. All my videos are lined up, scheduled, and I'm not worrying about, oh, I gotta drop this before a certain time, or I gotta record and edit. You know, like handle all your business before you come over to the birthday party, you know? So I just wanted to give like my time, and I had to record all of that. So imagine recording daily Vlogmas anyway, and then also recording future Vlogmas. Like, that was a lot. That was a lot for me, but I'm glad I did it. I'm glad that God gave me the strength. I don't want to say I did it because I didn't do nothing. I'm glad that God gave me the strength to really just like be consistent for basically 21 days, because y'all know I don't post on Sundays. So 21 days. It was a journey. And when I got back from Chicago and I recorded all my Chicago videos, I literally that night when I got back, I edited that because that was a video I needed to drop the next day. So I was all day, every second editing. I woke up early, I started editing because I needed to drop that video that day. Hence the time that I dropped it. I think it was like mad late, like 7, 8 o'clock. But it's because I didn't have any other videos left for my pre-recorded videos, and I was like, all right, since I'm back from Chicago, I might as well drop the video, because I was going to take some time to drop that video, but I wanted to drop it because I needed to drop content, and then that next day had to record another content, like it was just like, every day recording. Like Vlogmas is not a joke. Goodness 1, Vlogmas 0. Like I still ate that up with God. Like God really did that. God did a big one on this. So testimony time that God really just gave me that consistency that I needed to be consistent on YouTube. So let's get right into these tips. Let's get right into the tips. So couple tips I'm gonna give anybody that's starting YouTube. Vlogmas, is doing Vlogmas for the first time. I'm gonna say before you even start, you need to write down as much ideas as you can write down. So around November, I would say if your mind is already kind of like mentally getting ready, because it's a mental thing. You got to get your mind ready, right? That's tip number 1 and /2. You got to get your mind ready. If you know you're going to do Vlogmas in mid-November, you're just like, I'm going to do Vlogmas, right? Start writing your ideas down, because Vlogmas, I think it's like 25 videos, because it's from, you know, December 1st all the way to December 25th until Christmas. It's 25 videos every single day you're dropping, right? I did 21 because I didn't post on Sundays. But write down all your ideas, like any idea that you want to do or you got influence to do, like write it down, because that will help the momentum to keep going. The second one I want to talk about is wake up early. Like that was probably the best thing I did for myself while I was doing Vlogmas, is that I woke up super early to do these videos. I don't know if you guys know that I do have a 9 to 5, so just imagine that, like waking up earlier while doing your 9 to 5 and also editing these. Like it was It was a lot. Oh, you can record earlier in the day and then you edit later on the day so you can post it. Another tip I'm going to give is stay organized as much as possible. You guys, I was trying to be organized as possible. Like, if I knew I was about to record a skincare video, I had to bring all my skincare products. I don't feel like looking for it. If I knew I had to do a makeup routine or something, I had to clear my table, make sure my table was like, had all my foundation lined up. So when I'm doing it, I'm not looking for anything. If I had to do any type of video that I feel like I could like prepare the night before, I would. Stay organized, because being organized is going to allow the content to go a lot more faster, so you're able to be done with that vlog for that day and then you move on, you know. That's just my little tip for anybody that is trying to get into Vlogmas for the first time and they don't know how, or like the real raw experience. But I hope these tips help. If you need more tips, or you just like are confused on certain things, just hit me up, DM me, comment down below. This is the end of the video. I hope I didn't rant too much because I just feel like I missed you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, I missed y'all. I missed y'all. First off, I just want to say Happy New Year, because I don't think I'm going to be saying that in the month of January because I'm not gonna be here. But I'm not gonna be on YouTube. But Happy New Year. Anybody that's watching this, you watch the very end. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for just like supporting me and just like being consistent watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. And I see everybody that comment, everybody that supports me. I really love you guys. And oh my gosh, this is not a goodbye, but this is I'm gonna see you soon. I know I'm not gonna be on YouTube for a whole January, but like I'm really thinking about y'all, you know. Like, I will not be on any social media platform for the month of January. And I pray that this new year really brings like clarity, joy, more opportunities, more blessings. Really take this time to just reflect on yourself, and please be selfish with the beginning of the month and just like really just like talk to God about the things that you want, and just have your time to yourself, okay? And rest. You know, you've been working so hard, you need to rest too. It's not every day work. Sometimes you have to enjoy, you know, being just a human being and just like relaxing. So I pray that this new year brings nothing but good news to you. And if you're going through anything, I pray that God meets you at your need. I pray that God, you know, just blows your mind with great things. If you're praying for something and you're waiting for God or something, don't worry. God has not forgotten about you. Keep going. Stay strong. Remain blessed. And, you know, always put God first, because without God, ain't nobody nothing. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much again. I love you guys so much. I'll be seeing you guys by God's grace in February. I don't know what month in February. I don't know what date in February, but y'all gonna be seeing me in February. I love you guys so much, and I will see you then. Bye.